one more thing to carry.
Yeah, it is. Ooh.
I'm going to help you. I'm going to help your knees to destroy your spinal column. Side effects may include heart attack, stroke.
Side effects may include making this hike experience more difficult.
Yeah, not a fan.
So, what are your thoughts on the trekking poles?
They're handy to point out stuff like trees. Nah.
Over there,
I gotta throw them down that gully.
that's why you get really, really, really expensive ones. Throw it towards where you have to go, and then you have to go.
So getting ready to cook some food. Going with the classic mountain house. You know, you can pick them up anywhere, so they're easy to get a hold of. Darian's over here tending to the fire. And Yeti over here is chillaxing next to a tree. Of course, freeze dried, gotta add water, gotta boil, got the stove set up here. Gonna get everything ready and try to eat some food. Water in the pan. Okay, so this is what it looks like beforehand. We'll add water. And seal it up and come back in about 7 minutes. You want to serenade us by the fire?
Not at the moment.
You're not feeling
I will
chipper
later.
or happy?
I will later.
The ability to sing?
I just had to throw my phone down to hide that I was on it.
Amazon
Oh.
shopping while camping.
Amazon, baby.
Busted.
Yeah, this guy, Amazon shopping while camping. Over
Okay.
there.
Gotta get something for my Yeti tumbler. Here's bubblegum shrimp. You can make anything out of shrimp. Shrimp sandwich. I ain't going to that spiel. I gotta find my flavor packet. Find it the easy way. It's like a Cracker Jack. I do like how big that is. I can get my hand in there pretty easy. Aqua. I like broth. He obviously does not. I guess that's like the wah wah.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so this is what we have after it's already hydrated. Not too bad. You want to take the first honors?
Sure. Bag's still very hot.
I think that is good. And that is what that one is. I tasted it earlier and it was really good, so I have to agree with you. 2 thumbs up on that one.
Yeah. That's a good one.
And that guy over there,
Still cooking.
cooking his ramen on the fire.
Still cooking some ramen.
Still cooking the ramen.
On the way from LA back to Knoxville, I found out those bright lights ain't where I belong. In the phone booth in the rain, I called to tell her I had a change of dreams, I'm coming home. But tears filled my eyes when I found out she was gone. Smoky Mountain rain keeps on falling. Keep on calling. her name. Smoky Mountain rain, keep on searching. Can't go on this way.
You want light? Bring it over here where you can see. Nice and soft, chewy. Yummy, yummy. Chock full of deliciousness. I got my light over here.
It's a little picnic area.
My little picnic area, yeah. I already know it's good. It's the toppest of ramen.
Conveniently named.
That's right. The toppest of the top ramen. Bang! Dinner is served.
Okay, everybody's in for the night, finishing up. Last one's taking his shoes off there, getting in the hammock. Once again, the bugs are chirping the night. And as soon as he gets comfortable, we're going to hit the hay and see you in the morning. Good morning.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died.
Got some Starbucks this morning. Some cafe mocha latte.
Made with the most sacred of cacao.
And of course, as always, too hot to drink right away. We'll just let him chill for a little bit. Morning. Cafe mocha latte.
Java.
Next to the fire.
El fuego.
Thumbs up on the Starbucks coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Like runny chocolate milk. Look at that. Watered down chocolate milk.
Yum.
Yum.
My favorite. Dibs.
How was your first night in a hammock?
Excelente. I had a good time with the sleeping.
How about you?
It wasn't my first night in a hammock.
I know, but how was your night in the hammock?
It was okay. I had a blanket this time, so it was not cold.
I had a puffer wool. That was good the whole time.
We got breakfast coffee here, breakfast ramen over there. It's a delicate process of the ramen noodle making.
If I were at work, I'd be using a wrench for this.
We now join Coffee Guy on making coffee 101 in camp-like settings.
Well, pretty simple. You just pour that in there. Except, you know, be smarter about it and don't hold it over there with all the steam so that it gums up the package.
Wow, it really did.
Yes, it did. Bad.
That is, wow.
That was a whole package.
That stirring action. Get a close up of that. Oh, there's that steam. Look at that steam.
Gummed up the GoPro.
Gummed it up. Bummer.
All else fails, stir your coffee with the package.
Got it.
Make more.
How you doing over there, ramen?
The toppest. That's how I'm doing. The toppest of ramen. Roast beef.
Did you catch that wild this morning?
Yes.
Did you forage for that
I
ramen?
foraged for my ramen this morning. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get something. Toppest of ramen. Lever, Johnny, lever. Oh, lever, Johnny, lever. For the voyage is long and the wind don't blow, and it's time for us to leave her. Take two.
Fuck!